Gini game. Haru ko tagal sa po tradis lesson tigiswati.
Silent Hill F.
YouTube ko sin nalaro nits bilat takaya kakpa kano ko siya naksoktom misidit takaya kaksong story hearts. Story yung inosira. Yung gina story to yung nasura story. Ah wala. Story. What are you control kaksong nilawang na doktoran?
I don't need them anyway. Who even cares about their dumb games?
Hinako? I thought you were playing with your friends.
They said I can't play house with them because I hang out with boys.
Well, how about you play with your big sister instead?
Really?
Thanks for waiting.
Junko,
Did something happen?
just reminiscing a little. About, when we were kids, you always looked out for me.
Hinako.
Here, this is for you.
It's beautiful. Thank you.
Hinako! How dare you speak to your parents like that?
Dear, please calm down.
This Junko knows how to show some respect. Why the hell can't you be more like her? Where do you think you're going? We're not done here, young lady.
Darling, please. You've already made your point.
Then why isn't she listening to me? If you hadn't spoiled her so much, she wouldn't act like such a brat all the time.
Hinako, don't go. Your father's just worried.
I'm gonna go see my friends.
Come home soon!
어떠시오 스토리
There's
멋지다.
no way. Never.
Ano siya nakpo? Spiliasing at sa jinyak saso. Yaba. Sumungarniarnerpunga spilliunat takullattaariarakku titsorkikku taamaleriarlunguut spilleranaruissanersumi silittarniarlungu ersinartuusunalungila.
Local doctors note there have been sightings of foxes coming into town recently. I'm sure that the older generations who have grown up learning to respect foxes are fine, but I'm concerned for any children who may try and chase or provoke the creatures. Foxes by nature are not aggressive, but just like wild dogs, they carry diseases such as rabies, tetanus, and echinococcosis to name just a few. The town committee should send out warnings to ensure people don't get unnecessarily close to them.
Tuonga siartaasunaasimassangalorna. Ai. Ah.
Hanako Shimizu me. There's not a single extraordinary thing about me, except maybe being tall for a girl my age. I used to be in the track and field club, which is probably why I'm better at sports than most girls. I guess I got used to running around a lot when I was a kid since I preferred playing with boys. I will admit, I can be quite stubborn at times. I don't like accepting things that other people decide for me, even if it's the right thing to do. More than once, I've rebelled and made the wrong decision, only to regret it later. Shimizu Kimi, my mother. If I had to choose one word to describe her, it would be pitiful. She's the one who bears the brunt of my father's violent moods and malicious abuse. When I was younger, she used to protect me from him, so I didn't hate her back then. But maybe I do hate her now, even as my father screams in her face, throws bowls at her, and sends her out for alcohol late at night. She remains ever loyal to him. I just cannot, will not, accept her way of life. Shimizu Kanta, my father. When I first learned of the term patriarchal husband, and that it meant a man who does nothing but boss his wife around, he was the first person to come to mind. Dad barely talks. He ignores me when I tell him good morning, but if I say nothing, he gets angry instead. And once he's angry, he just explodes. He loses all control over his emotions in the blink of an eye. He yells at Mom, throws things around, and even hits us. Why can't he act like that in public? Why does everyone else only get to see his quiet, calm side? If it meant that I wouldn't have to spend another second with him in that house, I'd happily let myself be taken away. Kanuta Junko, my older sister. She's one of the prettiest and kindest people I know, and there's nothing she can't do. I can rely on her for anything. Honestly, she's the greatest sister anyone could ask for. She's always been there for me, ever since the day I was born, until she left to get married.
Tuarniarsinga tuamakpaksi uangimattuin nakpunga taavasumungarniartunguuna. Kurano tanut. Atano koyuan. Nakkumalinniannartussaassaq sinartorusullungaarnas pillerusuttuugaa. Makkumassinarputaanas pill. So
pray. Oh gods, what should I do?
Savia Oxus. Harry. Sana siya tumakuha nito noon na unang. So na rin. Story mo chita noon ako nakapasito kayo kami tanis pili. Oktopo. Mamaya kasi nga daw makapaks. Ito katsak po nga. Ito aksindag ka. Mukakpis. Umiyo ko mukakpis siya.
Oh, Inari-sama. The fox god's enshrined all over the place.
Pasi.
Inari-sama Ebisugaoka is mostly composed of Inari-sama's believers. There are statues of Inari-sama all over town. My elderly neighbors treat them with great respect and worship them. Inari-sama, also referred to as Oinari-sama, is a goddess that puts old, unusable tools to rest. They are known for their offerings preference of Abura-age tofu pierced through with an old needle. It seems like other towns don't have these customs, though. I'm guessing they might be something special only we do for Inari-sama here in Ebisugaoka.
Nadok na kaya kasyap. What up? Come on, I can't open. 야반옥무역 야반옥무역 파십 주미역 파신다 오랫동안 혼났다고 용암 역주치 가누비쇼 각시만너리
Where is everyone? What about Chizuruya? Maybe I'll find someone there.
Use open up. 들어와서 벌써 까놨어.
Article: Serious issues in Ebisugaoka. Starting around May, Ebisugaoka began seeing a high number of small earthquakes. The Prefectural Disaster Prevention Division predicts that there will be even more in the future. Residents remain on edge, fearful that these may be early warning signs of a larger earthquake yet to come. Rumors that these events are being caused by Inari-sama's curse have been spreading among the more religiously minded of the elderly population. However, the Prefectural Disaster Prevention Division is urging residents to treat such rumors as superstition and instead prepare for any potential disasters ahead.
What up? Story mode.
Excuse me? Is anyone there? Better find another way.
Damaging.
I remember there was a shortcut up ahead.
Shotgun. 보내라. 그러면은
It's a curse. It has to be. How else could she die like that? I would never. not that family. Shh. No one's going to hear you.
Ano pinga kusukan? Ano? Kung gila ka ron. Nareviyak siya kusuta nga bima ron eh.
You traitor!
Sakuko.
Where are you off to? Don't usually see you around here.
A truck was blocking the road.
Chizuruya?
I just want to talk to someone.
I'll be there in a bit, okay?
See you.
You traitor.
Orattua ka sana, susukak si Manok, sito ka siya unakaro.
Igarashi Sakuko, one of my friends. She's always got her head up in the clouds and is a little strange. She's constantly trying to worm her way out of paying me back for the 500 yen I lent her that one time. Her father is the head priest of the Senninsugi shrine in town. She seems to take great pride in donning the traditional Miko robes and selling charms during the New Year celebrations.
Nanbiyak siya katapap. Matok ka siya, nagkaktakta ka siya.
Where'd the driver go?
Siapa kucing na nga sumitamaan niya. Siya na siya kusang betul nagkaktakta. Sorry. Nasyo mata mo namin mo nasuna.
It's torn.
Bango. Kung isang susaw nga tao siya mo tukanak sindaw nga.
It's Shu.
Shoo.
Shu's been my best friend since forever. He's my partner. We've been having play dates for as long as I can remember. When we played make-believe Space Wars, we'd call each other partner, and for some reason, it just kind of stuck. Kids of the Showa era tend to look down on the other sex, but never Shu. When I rebelled against my parents because they told me to act like a girl, he was the one who understood my feelings the most and stood by me.
Yay, inom mo ka ito kasi
Hey, partner.
Shu. Say something.
What about you? Nothing you want to say?
Well, if you don't have anything, neither do I.
Well, that's my Hinako. It's not like you to just let stuff happen, though. But whatever you end up choosing, You know I'll always be there for you.
Shu. Shu, thanks for waiting. And Hinako, too. Rinko, what were you guys talking about? Nothing, really.
She said that she just wanted to talk to someone.
It helped, too. Oh. Glad to be of service, ma'am. If I had known you'd be here, I would have brought that magazine you lent me. Oh, you can hold on to it. I knew I wasn't getting it back when I lent it to you. What's that supposed to mean? What do you think you're laughing at? You've got something of hers too, don't you? Right?
Wait, did I borrow something? Hey, Hinako, do I get to hold on to the 500 yen I owe you too?
What happened to paying her back with interest?
I never said that. You can't prove I did.
Okay, that does it. If I lend you something, you're signing a contract to give it back.
Don't be such a meanie.
Hey, did you listen to the show last night?
Yeah, but I fell asleep.
Sakura, when will you grow up?
Hinako?
Sorry. What?
You trick.
한마리한테는 뭐 약자 저거요? Sumungkakpis na lalo na ako nang nilagyak sa minis. Ta-da! Ngang magkong Yanak sa pinilak ka Kaya papabog pa na kanin di ka Sinungo
Hinako, don't give up!
I got this from Shu.
Note from Shu Hey partner, these painkillers should work best for you. They'll not only take care of your headaches, but also any pain from injuries. I suspect that the main cause behind your nasty headaches is from you unconsciously grinding your teeth when you're upset. Does that sound about right? If you ever need to talk or anything, just call my name, and I'll be there. Red Capsules Painkillers in capsules. Relieves pain and raises spirits. Slightly restores health and current max sanity.
That's better. Please let everyone else be okay.
Mga reaksyon dapat trikanti. nakatama na ako. Si. Magtata daw kaya aksyon tama na aksyon trikanti. Siya kaya kang setak. Matawa. Fantastic. Oh, what
is this place? I need to get back to Sakako.
That's the mark, but spillade komishin yaklaşın yanlış var. Şu mutlu. Siyaning isaktakang na nga spillade may yaksakak kayo karong. 요즘 피콜로니 지쪽 피콜로니 때문에 공개라가로는 가는 비석갔어. Maria ci możesz ja. Jeszcze do mor.
Who's there? Is that you, Shu?
Yes. So what? Kung ngira ka kano biso kang naks. Panasin ang muso ng watamat. Saan nito kaksachingin ang urun ni? Nakasukasik. Nakasukasik mo kayo masakat tasyong, ha?
Shu! Rinko!
Shu! Rinko! Just a moment. I'm not scared. I'm thinking.
Stay back!
Hey! Okay. Push. Push up, bye. Long lang mag. Ita. Yep. Hello. Kita cukup kalah. Kesis lucid. Bagus. Menon ako to siyan. Anak soksin na kenapa? I'm too scared. Isok tayo natin. Bye.
Local doctors note there are cases where patients see an improvement in their symptoms not by taking medicine, but rather by simply talking to a doctor. The cause of this phenomenon lies undeniably in the trust fostered between practitioner and patient. Conclusively, the pharmacists who have been trusted since ancient times perhaps could be said to contain a similar power to that of the local gods here. Even among the younger generations of this town, there are many who believe praying to Oinari San will soothe pain and speed up the healing process. One's fortitude of faith is thought to have direct relation to potency. There are even some town elders who claim to have had broken bones miraculously mended after praying to Oinari San.
Ano yung kisumulong nga? Anak? Tingito ko noon na matong sa kaksimas. Tingnan mo eh. Pero sinanap ko. Ah! Shoot!
Anyone here?
Pa. Tumidawa na naman. Måste med tinglarna runt tokarum sida. Ada spelat terkasong siul semak demi. Rakaman ni Maritusas. Ay, sorry. Navision eh. Naiyak si mga ni. Kasus ni siya. Ooh. Long key. Okay. Sangat up. Ya, sudah mana? Aku? Si kaksendaw nga. So, kurat tarak.
This isn't good. I really hope Shu and Rinko are alright.
sinakpok ko, nagtalakpok. Susok sa kapumida, sunak siya sa karuami. Sabi siya, sabi yaman, nakto yung sangaw na araw. Makanya sokak fikus. Takkan. Semungang nak pengomongan tayo na. Tapi kung ayos, so... What's up? So scared, run! 아주 rakit ya. Tapi kung tamat, gusto siya aktingin ako. Ano, sadyang ako siya. Ang rangal simi. Okay. Di siya misabi. So, mga kilsitra, no? Kaya sinasang pisin naksak sa masita masibay. Ito siya ang dekus. Bye-bye.